this video we'll talk about Excel library name, Excel close on file of WinActor. This library will close on Excel file opening at the moment on the desktop. Now we will demo how to use the library, Excel close on file. Firstly, we go to the top library and open the folder 18 Excel 01 PUC. Secondly, drag and drop the library Excel close on file to the scenario area. Thirdly, we open some Excel file at the screen. The last step, we click play button to see the result. So as you can see on the screen, all the Excel file was closed.